Millions of people are now using ChatGPT every day to answer questions, solve problems, learn new skills, and save time. But what exactly is ChatGPT and why has it become so popular? ChatGPT has become one of the most widely used artificial intelligence tools in the world, helping millions of people every day with work, school, business, and everyday life. ChatGPT is an AI assistant created by OpenAI that understands and generates human language. Think of ChatGPT like having a knowledgeable assistant that you can ask questions, brainstorm ideas with, summarize information, help write emails, explain difficult topics, or even help plan projects. If you've watched our video on Claude, you'll notice many of these capabilities are similar. Like Claude and other modern AI assistants, ChatGPT is designed to understand natural language and help you accomplish a wide variety of everyday tasks. Although each AI has its own unique strengths and features. Unlike a traditional search engine that mostly gives links to websites, ChatGPT carries on a conversation with you. You can ask follow-up questions, request simpler explanations, have it rewrite something until it matches exactly what you're looking for, or even generate images from a simple description. For example, you could ask, "Help me start a vegetable garden in my backyard." Then you might follow up with, "I only have room for raised beds." Then, "Recommend vegetables that grow well in my state." And finally, "Create an image showing what this garden layout could look like." ChatGPT remembers the conversation and builds on each question instead of starting over. People are using ChatGPT in many different ways, such as students use it to better understand subjects they are learning, professionals use it to write reports, organize ideas, and improve productivity, business owners use it to create marketing content, answer customer questions, and grow their businesses, while parents use it to help explain homework, plan family activities, and organize busy schedules. People are using it every day to learn new things, expand their creativity, and discover new possibilities more easily than ever before. The better your instructions, the better ChatGPT's responses usually become. Learning how to ask clear questions is one of the most valuable AI skills you can develop. For example, instead of, "Tell me about birds," you can try, "Explain the differences between parrots, cockatiels, and canaries for someone choosing their first pet bird." Or instead of, "Help me cook dinner," you can try, "Give me 3 healthy dinner recipes using chicken with ingredients I can find at any grocery store." Or instead of, "Help my child with algebra," you can try, "Teach my 7th grader how to solve one-step algebra equations using simple examples." As artificial intelligence continues integrating into our daily lives, tools like ChatGPT are helping people learn faster, work more efficiently, and solve problems in new ways. Understanding how to use these tools today is one of the best ways to prepare yourself for an evolving tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Life in AI for more practical, real-world insights on how artificial intelligence is changing everyday life. Thank you for watching.